Introducing ESP32, a smart USB hub and embedded intelligence platform for makers and engineers. Real-time power analytics, wireless control, RGB interaction, and smart expansion like QWIIC connector, all in one compact device. It also works as a smart USB multiplexer and data hub. Analyze SSDs, chargers, and USB devices while transferring data and viewing real-time voltage, current, and power analytics wirelessly. Smart motion security. Built-in accelerometer and gyroscope detect movement instantly and trigger real-time alerts. Decode infrared remote signals in real time using the wireless web dashboard. Transform remote buttons into custom USB HID actions and remotely control USB device ports instantly through Smart Hub System, a powerful platform for makers, automation, and ethical hacking. View live power analytics, sensor data, and device activity directly from your smartphone. Upload custom images and audio tones directly from your PC or smartphone using the wireless web. Display graphics on the TFT screen, play melodies through the buzzer, and save everything directly to the SD card in real time. ESP32 features a real-time RGB control dashboard, accessible from both PC and smartphone. Change colors, brightness, animation speed, and multiple RGB patterns wirelessly for a fully customizable lighting experience. Dual QWIIC plug-and-play ports. ESP32 Smart Control, real-time analytics, next-generation innovation. Back us on Kickstarter.